Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is CK and this is my fifth video for Job Tribes competition of cosplay. So here we go today with the resin crystal epoxy making. It's for the necklace part because there is a tiny jewel in the middle I don't have yet, so I have to create my own. So for this I use silicone mold and I put into it resin, one measurement and half measurement of catalyzer. Then I mix them and I will add also a bit of emerald tint to have the real color for my jewels. There will be like glass and very easy to glue on the necklace part, which is in metal, as you can see on this video. So I will not show you the final result of this gem today because this is not dry yet. So let's be patient and let's go to our second part for today. I'm gonna try the makeup. And it's a kind of difficult makeup, but because she has very thin eyebrows, as you can see on the picture. So let's going on makeup. Here we go. I put the wig cap on my hair and I'm gonna add some glue on my eyebrows. It's a child glue based on water, so it's not toxic for your skin. Waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna make a boobs contouring because really I don't have enough for this character. I just use some eyeshadows, a very dark one and a very light one to contour the boobs as big as I want them. It's like a trick, a drag trick. Then I put some powder on my eyebrows and I'm gonna continue this process 3 times. It's for them to get really well covered and to trace a new line on my skin. Then I put a lot of white eyeshadow on my eyes to make them look bigger. I tried some lenses and I was not really happy about the results, so I changed for more natural pink lenses. But I'm not sure I'm gonna pick them until the end of my makeup test. I put some concealer on my lips too because she have very tiny lips. And here I trace my new eyebrows. I use for this just a simple eyeshadow, a dark brown one, then a gray one to have something kind of natural, and I put some concealers under my eyebrows. Then it's time for the funny part. I put some colors on my eyes. Also, it's eyeshadows brown, really light beige, and a bit of emerald at the end. This is not very natural look because she's a show dancer, so this is a stage makeup. So you have to look at it from far away and not so close. To create this under eye line and to have this really big eye look. I made it very thick because it's for videos and photos and this have to be dramatic. Then I put some silver eyeshadow in the inner corner of the eye. I add some lipstick, a pinky one, and a lot of blush. And maybe more lipstick, more pink one. Then I brush my eyelashes and I put some fake lashes under the eyes and upper the eye to have this very manga look. I put my wig on, try to fix my hair under it, and here we go. It's kind of cute. I put the jewels to have a better idea of the result, and I think I'm gonna change the lenses because my eyes look too normal for me. Because this costume is really made for stage. It is shiny and it make my whole bathroom shining. I love it. Here you can see tiny details of the costume again. And are you ready? Final result with other lenses. I really thought this is better. What do you think? Please tell me in comment and don't forget to look to my other videos. See you next time. Bye bye.